Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the seeds of a particular plant that goes by the same name. This color is typically produced by combining yellow with a hint of brown, creating its rich, golden hue. It's a shade of yellow. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Mustard. Mustard. Stirred. Mustard. Mustard is crucial in the context of fashion and interior design, helping designers and stylists to create warm, earthy, and sophisticated looks. This color adds a touch of retro flair and can make a space or outfit feel cozy and inviting. If you enjoyed learning about mustard, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.